So I've managed to find a woman up watching television. I'm just going to use hypnosis on her. See me. See me. She can't see me from that angle.
Vampires can hypnotize people. I'm not really the best at it.
You will not notice anything out of the ordinary.
No, we certainly hope not. Let's just keep going.
They have to want to be hypnotized to convince someone to come back to your big scary castle, take off their clothes, and to lie like this. They've got to be a really open-minded type of person to do that.
Maybe